Now, the World Health Organization on Wednesday issued an alert regarding a batch of contaminated cough syrup sold in Cameroon, noting that it contained unacceptable amounts of contaminant chemicals. According to the WHO for the region of Africa, the stated active ingredients of natural syrup are listed among others, including paracetamol, hydrochloride, and chlorpheniramine, a combination used to relieve symptoms associated with common cold, flu, and allergic rhinitis. The cough syrup was analyzed in a WHO laboratory after samples from Cameroon were made available last month. As a result of the analysis, as much as 28.6% of glycol was detected in the syrup. The acceptable limit is no more than 0.10%. Now, glycol is normally used as a solvent, but can be illicitly put in medicine as a cheap alternative to more expensive ingredients. According to the WHO, glycol is toxic to humans and can prove fatal. The alert declared the product to be unsafe, especially in children, as it may result in serious injury or death. Other side effects may include abdominal pain, vomiting, diarrhea, inability to pass urine, headache, altered mental state, and acute kidney injury, which may lead to death. Moving on, South Sudan's Vice President Hussein Abdelbagi has urged the